What's up?
What's up, guys? Aiden here, Aiden Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we've added to the Dawson Manufacturing arsenal. Look at all the stuff we got in this video now. We're here today, we're checking out the Truck Mate and the Cart Mate. This video is going to be solely about the Truck Mate. We are doing a separate video. It's probably going to be next week, if not the week after, but we're going to be doing that separately. Let Nick talk now. We're going to be just talking about the Truck Mate right behind us. Take it away.
All right, guys. So here's the deal. This is actually the first time anybody, including myself, has seen all three products in the same location at the same time and actually being used in the manner they were intended. This is actually quite exciting for me because it worked a long time to get here. So today we've got the Truck Mate on the back of our old dually here. She's pretty old. She's pretty worn out. But we put some Riverstone in here. We need to just touch up some spots here at my place. It's supposed to be 1 to 3, but it's more like 1 to 5 or 6. Mm-hmm. It's a little ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty big rock.
It's pretty big. We didn't really get a whole lot, but that's okay. You'll get a really good chance here to see what Truck Mate can do. We've got the normal Jackson wheelbarrow on the right, and we've got the Cart Mate on the left, and we're going to give you a real quick demonstration on how it can do both. Pretty simple stuff here. And we're also going to run the Mulch Mate. We're going to, of course, put some mulch through there, and we're going to show you how Cart Mate can run that bad boy. So without further ado, let's get this thing started. All right, guys, so here we are in front of Truck Mate. I'm going to kind of give you a real quick rundown here on all the different features and things we thought through. Now, the number one goal for Truck Mate for us was it had to be affordable, and it had to be the highest quality we could possibly put together and in the smallest package possible. So kind of start there. Down below, we have a hitch receiver inside there. That 2-inch hitch receiver allows you just to slide it on, and then you slide on your system down inside that tube. That way, this whole system, when you mount it on here, there's no modification to your truck. Think of it like a Tommy gate. Tommy gates make you take the rear bumper off, and you have to drill holes and da-da-da-da-da. I don't want to make you guys do that. So there is none of that, okay? So the second rule was it had to be very simple and affordable. Well, in order to do that, we had to do things like use pop rivets, aluminum construction, same material that we're using in Mulch Mate, just in a much smaller form. Also, things like this bearing assembly here. No one knows this, and I've never spoke about it on camera yet, but this bearing assembly here is fully adjustable if you open up your drawer and take this little tool out. So this tool here allows you to adjust. This is your tensioning system for your belt. So you put this on, you loosen this bolt up here, and that allows you to adjust the whole system. And so what that does, it keeps the cost down, but you still get the full adjustability of the belt, keeping it tracked correctly. But it's very inexpensive, and there's no way you can get your fingers caught in here because of these nice aluminum plates on top. So really cool little feature there.
Hey guys, you see this decal on the top? I was there when they put that on. Mm-hmm. Remember that? Yeah. You
were here the majority of the time of building it.
Yeah.
So Aiden knew about this a long time ago, and he actually was there for the building process and the design process. So that was really cool. Another deal, the conveyor system. So inside the belt here, inside of all that is the tensioning system, the motors, the batteries, the wiring, everything is between this 5.5-inch area here. Okay, so what that means is it's compact, it's condensed. If you notice, there's not wires hanging everywhere, there's not electrical boxes everywhere. It's just a clean system. So I guess at this point we can talk about the tarp system. This tarp system here, it's the exact same thing as Mulch Mate. It's the exact same components as Mulch Mate. The only thing that's different is the tube itself is a little smaller in diameter, and it's a little bit shorter in width. Outside of that, it's the same nuts, the same bolts, the same everything. The motors are a little smaller. The gearbox and the motor, they're a little smaller, but of course the truck's a quarter of the size. So I guess without further ado, let's run some rock through this thing.
All right.
Now, let's just get something straight here. This is the first time we've ever run rock, ever, through Truck Mate. Now, we're assuming it's the same thing as Mulch Mate because it's the same component, so let's check it out. Let's see how it does. All right, guys, so what we wanted to do here is we wanted to take the conveyor system off and show you actually how the tarping system can work completely outside of the cross conveyor. So we've taken the cross conveyor off, It's 4 bolts, 1 9/16 wrench. Took us what?
2-3 minutes, yeah.
It was literally nothing to take it off. All we did was switch the electrical plugs. So now the way this unit gets its power is from the battery of your truck. So what we did is we threw the key in the truck, turned the accessory on. We specifically don't have the truck on right now because we didn't want the noise. So it's really easy. Just we put a bucket underneath here with the skid loader so we can move it real easily. You just hit this button. Yeah, it's really noisy, but the point is you get the idea of that. The system can run completely on its own. You can put brush in here, you can put firewood in here, you could put whatever you want.
Can I go?
Yeah, hit it.
Is it load, right? Load?
The one closest to the truck. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool? So one thing that guys are asking, they're going, well, the cross conveyor is gone, that's your quote-unquote tailgate. What do I do about covering this gap? Well, they sell those mesh cross tailgate here you can put in. They have that style that folds out. There's a lot of options out there. It's up to you. It's up to your truck that you have. Just make sure your load's strapped down real nice. A lot of times guys are doing brush and they just want to pull it out. Well, they've got some kind of tarp covering it or something along those lines. So there you go, guys. There's Truck Mate doing what it's built to do. Throw it down.
Can you do it the other way at the same time?
Yeah.
You can have 2 guys running at almost the same time.
Pretty much.
All right, guys, that's really going to do it. You got any last words?
No, I'm just really glad y'all came and joined us and checked out the videos. Make sure you leave a comment in his section and like the video, and we really appreciate y'all's support.
Yeah, let us know what you think. With that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.
No, it's not sandwiches, it's sandwiches. He's allergic to hungry. We got Grey Poupon.
Huh?
That's good.
What is it?
It's spicy mustard. It's really good. It's
Sure, I'll have that.
country. Yeah. It's called Country Dijon or something. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I'll have some of that.
No oregano, no lettuce. All right, fine. I'll take lettuce, but you better chop it up. Okay. I'll be a man and take bacon. Fine. You look like